back again to do this problem right here, which is from lesson 11-3, page 591, example 2 on multiplying rational expressions. All right, let's take a look at this. As we look at the four parts of this, you got top, bottom, the first thing that I see I'm looking for is anything that I can factor. Well, this is a trinomial, as you remember, and when we see the trinomial here, we have to factor it first before we really do anything else, and it's the only one that we have to do that to. So let's take a look over here, make the diamond. The last number, which includes the negative, goes at the top, and the -2 goes at the bottom. Now we need to find two numbers that we can use that when we multiply them, they come out to -15. And when we add those same two numbers, they add up to -2. Well, let's think about that. For 15, if we did 3 times 5, we would get 15. But if we did 3 plus 5, we would get 8. So we don't want them to be both positive. But if we make this one negative, then we multiply them. We get 3 times -5 is -15. And we have 3 minus 5, which is -2. So that works, and we'll use those numbers. So now we're going to cross out this, and we're going to write the same thing a different way using these two numbers that we just got. So we're going to put two sets of parentheses. The first thing that goes in the parentheses is the x right here from the x squared, and then we just simply put the +3, and we put the -5 right here. Now once we've done that, we're ready to see if we can do some cross-canceling. So look here, we've got x minus 5 up here, which is a team, stays together, and we also have an x minus 5 down here. So we can cross both of those out completely, and they're gone. Then we look around and say, well, we've got this x plus 3. There's no x plus 3 at the top at all, so we have to leave that. Then we look over here and we say, aha, there's an x right here, and there's x squared, which means x 2 times, 2x's up here. Well, there's 2 here, and there's 1 here. That means that's 2 minus 1 is 1. We're going to get rid of one of the x's here, and this one has to be gone completely. So we still have this x right here, and down here we still have the x plus 3. So to write our final answer, we just simply write what we have left, which is the x on the top and the x plus 3 on the bottom. There's nothing else available. By the way, we cannot cross these two x's out because this x is by itself, but this one is part of the team here of x plus 3, so we cannot cross this x out. That becomes our final answer right there, x over x plus 3.